Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put s over the square root of number 2, everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have the square root of number 2 in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s approaches to negative infinity, that's the form here. So I will put this one gone here, and then u approach to negative infinity. When s approach to positive infinity, this one we put in here, and you got about u approach to positive infinity. This one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So the integration of e to the power of negative u square from negative infinity to positive infinity, we have the square root of b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.